Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so we are on day number 19 and I'm sharing my journey with you as I walk my way through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. Okay, let's talk about routines. Are you still doing your morning routine? Are you still doing your evening routine? I'm going to tell you kind of how mine are going. Alright, so routines are starting to get a lot easier. This week we've had a lot of kind of unexpected errands that I've needed to run, and they've kind of needed to happen immediate. I'm the kind of person that I try to do all my errands on one day, that way it's just easier. But this week I've had to do a lot of in and out, and normally when my days are like that, it would be really easy for me to just get up, throw on some workout clothes, tennis shoes, pull my hair up, no makeup, get out of here really quick, get done what I needed to, then come home and finish getting myself ready. I didn't do that this time. Today I got up, I'd already laid my clothes out, so I was dressed in real clothes, took my shower, washed my hair, all that stuff. Now I didn't get my hair dried, I just kind of had to pull it back because I really did just run out of time, but I did put makeup on and I did go to the store looking put together. I didn't look like a hot mess. That's normally what would happen. So progress is definitely being made on my end. I've told y'all before that my problem wasn't necessarily cleaning and clutter. It was establishing routines. A lot of them had to do with taking care of me and just doing things routinely so that I'm doing less time cleaning and I have more time to do other things that really are important to me. All right, so today we're not gonna add a new baby step. We're gonna keep working on our morning routine and we're gonna keep working on our evening routine. And I know some of these days I kind of feel like, oh, I really wanna add something else. But these days are important because when you're doing something new, it's important to just keep doing the repetition because we don't want to add things too quickly, because when we add things too quickly, we get overwhelmed and then we quit. And we're not going to quit. We're not going to let ourselves get overwhelmed. Maybe you come to this point and you're like, you know, I don't really feel like I'm getting the whole dress to shoes thing down right. I don't feel like it's been easy. Just keep doing it. Just keep doing it. Maybe you need to kind of take a step back and don't add anything else new right now. Just work on those little things. But just know that even if you miss a day here, you didn't do things exactly how you wrote them down, that's okay, because we're not trying to be perfect. We can't be perfect. We're just going to keep making progress every single day. All right, so today what I want you to do is I want you to go to the Flylady's website. I will leave a direct link down below so that you can go to it quickly, but it's also in the book Sync Reflections. If you have the book, it's the very first thing, like as soon as you open the cover, there's a story. And I want you to go read this story. This is the story of a lady that goes to a bed and breakfast, and I'm not gonna spoil the story because if you've never read it, I don't want to spoil it for you, but it's a really motivating story. It's one that's going to give you some motivation. It's going to give you some inspiration. And after you read it, I want you to remember why you started this journey. Everybody's going to have a different why. Some of them are going to be the same. Some of them are going to be because I want a clean house. Some of them are going to be because I really needed to make just some changes in my life in general. And I knew that the way to do that was to start making routines. Some of it's going to be because I don't know what your reason is, but everybody's reason is different, and I want you to remember today why you're doing that, because if you remember your why, it's going to be a lot easier to keep going. Keep shining that sink every night. Keep getting dressed to shoes every day. Keep doing all the things so that you're continuing to make progress. All right. Today's short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I will see you guys tomorrow.